What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to zoom in and out of a video clip using After Effects. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After adding a video to your timeline, use your current time indicator to move to the frame where you wish to zoom in or out of the video. Use your page up and page down keys to precisely find the frame where the effect should start. When this is done, click on this arrow icon and expand Transform. Here, in order to make changes to the scale, meaning the zoom in or out of your video, make sure to click on this stopwatch icon for scale. This will create a new keyframe where your current time indicator is. Next, move your time indicator to where the zoom should stop and click on this keyframe icon to create a new keyframe. And change your scale option by holding your left mouse and dragging it to the left or right to change the zoom of your video. If you wish to zoom into a specific area of your video, then I suggest also creating keyframes for your position and anchor point. This will help you a lot in creating the zoom effect you need. Now, to zoom out, simply move your current time indicator to the point where the zoom should be done and create a new keyframe. You can then simply select your scale amount and set it to 100%. You can also, if needed, hold Shift while putting your video in place in order to snap it back to its original canvas size. When you're done, you can simply click on this icon to close your transformation options and continue editing. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.